Hey, how's it going? This is JL, the Impact Guru, coming to you live from my home office. And today is More Money Monday. Today I'm going to teach you a little viral hack that I learned a while back. I tested it out. I tested it out last month, had some success with it. So I wanted to share it with you. It's a way, excuse me, gotta get a little water. It's a way to kind of get a viral hack. If you are an online marketer, affiliate marketer, network marketer, anywhere where you're sharing capture pages to get leads, whether you're trying to get prospects or you're trying to get customers, this is a way for you to, you can use it with free sources, you can use it with paid, and the way it works, and I'm going to break it down to you, but basically it's going to give you a viral hack that will allow you to capture even more leads once you get a lead from the first person who opts into your capture page. So I'm going to go right into it, but first let me show you some proof that this actually works. So I'm going to show you the amount of subscribers that I got last month. And as you can see right here, last month I got 28 new subscribers. And you know, that was almost a person coming in a day. Of course, it wasn't one person every day. It was, you know, maybe it was 2 or 3 at a time or something like that. But that was the results that I got from this viral hack. But let me go on over to show you how to set this up. Now, you have to have a capture page software where you can create your own capture page. I'm using ClickFunnels to create the capture page that I have here. And if you'd like to get a copy, get the share code for this capture page, you can use it to kind of model it. Now, if you don't have ClickFunnels, you won't be able to use a share code, but you might want to go back and watch the video, and in whatever capture page program that you have, you can kind of model after this. But I highly recommend ClickFunnels. It's the one that I use, and I'm very pleased with it. But let me go on over here and show you the capture page. Now, this is just a sample. Now, what you're looking at is just a basic capture page. Get your name and your email address. And what I'm offering in this example is if they opt into my newsletter, then I'm going to send them a home workout and a 5-ingredient detox drink. That is my lead magnet to entice them to enter their information. And once they click on that and I get their email address, then of course that email goes into my autoresponder, and I have a series of emails that go out as soon as the person opts in. But the next page that they're going to see is this thank you page. And this is where you have to have a thank you page in order to make this work. You know, as you can see, it says thanks for signing up. The free workout and detox drink are being sent to your email shortly. And I got yada, yada, yada about checking your spam folder, your junk folder, because sometimes it goes in there. But here's the hack. As you can see right down here, I've got some social media share buttons. And right down here, I've got, if you share this, I'll also send you my rapid weight loss solution cookbook within 24 hours. Now, here's how this thing works. First, you have to have some type of lead magnets in order to entice people to give you their information. Once they do that, you need to have another lead magnet that you can offer them to entice them to share the page. And these people are looking to lose weight or get in shape. So, you know, I offered them a free workout and then a detox drink. And then I also am offering them a weight loss solutions cookbook with lots of recipes that they can cook if they're trying to lose weight. So when they click on this button and they share it, and let's just click on it, you know, they click on it, it's going to take them over here to where they share it. But they're actually sharing the capture page that they have already opted in. So when they share that, let me click on this. Now, here's the magic in that. You know, most people have an average of 400 friends. And if you share something, you know, even with the Facebook algorithm, some of those people are going to see that post that you just shared. And if they're interested in losing weight, and a lot of times people are friends because they have similar interests or whatnot, you know, they might say, hey, so-and-so recommended this, shared this post, let me check it out. They click on it, it goes to the capture page, the cycle starts over and over again. So you could get 10, 20 people who opt in, and then they say, let's say half of them, if it was 20, and half of them actually shared it. Well, then those 10 people who have 400 friends on the average, you do the math, that's 4,000 people who actually will be able to take a look, possibly see your capture page, see your offer, whatever it is. Now, this works for any kind of business, you know, as long as, you know, your main goal is you're trying to build the list, but it can work when you are promoting services and things of that nature. If you were a plumber, or you were a barber, or, you know, anything that where you were providing a service, you could bundle two services that you might want to give something away in order to entice them to get that information, and also to entice them to share the capture page. So that's how this thing works. Again, you've got to have a couple of things in it to make it work. One, you definitely need a capture page software to create your custom capture page. You also need to have an autoresponder. Now, another tool that you definitely want to have is tracking software. Now, the benefit to tracking software is that you can put a tracking link or a tracking pixel on these pages, and you can actually verify how people are, what they're doing. You know, I've got this set up in a tracking link. So when they hit the first page, it fires off. So I know they hit that page. When they get to this thank you page, they hit another pixel. I know they made it to the thank you page. And I also can see if they clicked on anything, then it'll fire and tell me I got some engagement. And then the tracking software actually gives me the people's IP address. So if I have that information in my autoresponder, which it usually does, I can go back and then I can see who actually did share it, and then I can send that second what I just had a brain fart, the lead magnet, that second lead magnet to them. Now, a lot of times what I do is I go ahead and give them the lead magnet anyway. But what I do is, as you see, I said here, I'll share this. If you share this, I'll send you my Rapid Weight Loss Solutions Cookbook within 24 hours. So that gives me a day, and I just put it in another email for the next day. So they get it anyway. And sometimes people will actually go back and share it after they have already received the cookbook. So that's how this little hack works and how this little technique works. So that's pretty much all that I have for you today. Remember my motto, the shortest distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So I want you to take action. Hey, Sharon, Durham, appreciate you guys coming on. Hey, Bakisa, appreciate you coming on. But this is pretty much how this hack works. And, you know, if you want to get this particular capture page, it's already made. You know, you can, if you have ClickFunnels, you know, you can go in and change the wording, change everything else around. Or if you like, you can just watch the video a couple of times, look at what I've done. But, you know, you have to have the ability to put those share buttons in whatever capture page creation program that you're using. So if you don't have that with your capture page program, which most of them do, you know, that's how this thing works. All right. Remember my motto again. The shortest distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So take action on this, you know, test it out. Again, I can't guarantee anything other than I know that it has worked for me. All right. We love you. Love, peace, and hair grease.